Paint Tool SAI version 2, Organizing and Merging Layers Together. Hi, my name is Lisa and today I am showing you how to organize and merge layers in Paint Tool SAI version 2 by Systemix Software Development. Paint Tool SAI is useful for creating images to use in PowerPoint slideshows because it gives you greater control of your images. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the Paint Tool SAI interface. Notice the canvas takes up most of the right-hand and central region of the interface. At the top of the interface is a bar with drop-down menus for basic functions. There are two columns on the left-hand side of the interface. The column to the right has an editing tool panel and a color selection panel. The column to the left is the Layers tool panel. On the bottom of this panel, the Layers list appears. Each layer in the list is depicted by a box that corresponds to a layer on the canvas. Some of its properties are displayed here. Look at a layer in the list. On the left are two stacked square icons. The top icon indicates layer visibility. An eye appears on this icon when the layer is visible on the canvas. Click on the visibility icon, the eye disappears. The layer is now hidden on the canvas. Use the visibility function to hide layers. This clears up screen clutter so you can concentrate on the visible layers. To the right of the visibility icon is a thumbnail of the layer's image. Next is the layer's name, type, and opacity. While the interface may seem complex, using the layers function is good because it gives you the ability to edit each component of an image separately without affecting the others. Now I will show you how to use Paint Tool SAI functions to organize layers and merge them together into a single image for a slideshow presentation. As your project grows, some of your images will become complex and have many layers. Give each layer a meaningful name. This will make it easier for you to locate the correct object layer when you come back to it later. Label each layer with a name as follows. First, hover your mouse over a layer. Right-click on the layer. A drop-down menu appears. Select Properties from this menu. The drop-down menu disappears. A layer box opens up in the middle of your screen. Next, type the layer's name in the property box, then press Enter. Notice the name on the layer's icon has changed. Repeat this process for each of your layers. You can now finish editing your creation until you are satisfied. Once you have finished editing your layers, organize the order of layer appearance for the final image. Paint Tool provides functions to help you easily accomplish this task. Ordering the appearance of layers is done by moving a layer up or down on the list. Layers higher in the list appear in front of layers lower on the list. I find it helpful to have all my layers visible so I can see what is going on. So let's begin. Turn on the visibility of all your layers. Next, order your layers by following these steps. Hover over the layer. Double tap and hold the layer. Next, drag it up or down the list. Notice as you drag the layer, a line appears near the mouse cursor and between, above, or below other layers. This line indicates where your layer will appear when you drop it. Drag the layer above the ones you want in the background and below the layers you want to appear in the foreground. Lift your finger to let it go. The layer drops into place. Drag and drop each layer until they are where you want them to appear. Repeat this for other layers until you are satisfied with the order and the image appears as you want it to on the canvas. Now that your image appears the way you want, merging them together will preserve the order of layer appearance and prevent image components from shifting around in relation to one another. First, take note of the location of the merge icon. It is on a small panel of tools directly above the list of layers. Now move your mouse to this small panel, then hover over the icon with a square with a plus sign in it. A dialog box opens that says Merge Layers Together. This is your Merge tool. Next, follow these steps to merge all your layers into one image. Tap on the top layer. Hold down the Shift key. Tap on the bottom layer. Let go of Shift. Now all of your layers are selected. Each is highlighted in either blue or purple. Click on the Merge Layers Together tool. The layers are now merged together into a single layer. Only one icon now appears in the tool layer list. and is ready for you to copy into PowerPoint. I hope this presentation has answered your questions of how and why to organize and merge layers in Paint Tool SAI. Thank you for watching.